Hey guys, it's beautyriotx. I would like to first and foremost apologize for my lips. I have seemed to completely overline them and it just looks weird. So today we are doing our Battle of the Boxes, BoxyCharm versus Ipsy's Glam Bag Plus. Information for both boxes will be down below. And without further ado, let's get into it. Box does feel kind of heavy. Let's see. La Vienne Rose. Is the theme for this month, and the first thing I see is a powder and soft glow brush set from Moda. So let's open these. This retails for $29. I don't know, don't they sell Moda brushes at Walmart? They're very weighty. There we go. And to be honest, I won't use either of these. I have too many of these brushes and I have one of these already that I never use. So I'm not gonna leave it sitting here for nothing. So I will include this in a giveaway coming up. All right, the next is by Wander Beauty, and this is the Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. I don't like peel off masks. It has goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, green tea leaf, and kale and clay to promote smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. I would really like to try this. Maybe I'll just fucking try it. Ooh, fun. Okay, so this is from Appeal, and I think I've gotten a lips product from them before. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow, and the shade is Gold. Swatch of this. And it is a, like, gold. Oh, that's weird. Okay, it's got like a brush. It's very pretty. It's just not as opaque as I was hoping it was going to be. It's pretty, though. I will say, though, it is, like, a more micro, like, smooth glitter rather than like Wet n Wild has the glitters. The eyeshadow has the liquid eyeshadow like glitter and it's like chunky glitter. This is very smooth. So I definitely will give this a try. This is pretty. Oh, and this retails for, did I already say $21? Because it does retail for $21. Next is from Ofra, and this is the the Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Monaco. It's a very pretty kind of rosy shade, but it is metallic, so I'm not going to open it because I don't wear metallic lipstick. So again, I'll save this for a giveaway. And it looks like to be one more, product in here. It's the Cover FX. Again, why don't they come in boxes? That always confuses me. This is the Cover FX Perfector Face Polish. What did I just say? The Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. Not polish, what am I talking about? And this retails for $45. Ooh, that's pretty. I love this blush. Ooh. There is Sculpt with the Contour, blush it up and illuminate with the two shimmering highlighters, and find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. All right, so we have like 3 highlighters here, contour here, which is matte, a finishing powder, and then a blush. Swatch the highlighters. They're pretty, and I think I might be able to get away with all of them. That's exciting, because it's always like, there's always one that you're like, shit, this is not matching to my skin. All right, and we'll do, watch the contour, the finishing powder, and oh, the blush looks amazing. Oh, I love that. So the finishing powder, the contour is beautiful. It's like totally neutral. The finishing powder looks like it has sparkles in it, so I don't know. But I'm definitely going to try this because these all look like they're going to go with my skin tone, so that's very exciting and very rare for a face palette. So, all right, so that was it. That was a pretty good box. I mean, this kind of pushed it over the edge. This is a pretty good box. Okay, so on to Ipsy's Glam Bag Plus. All right, and here we go with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I look a little washed out today because I've had this makeup on for a while, and I just got this in the mail, so just ignore my face. All right, so we have our pamphlet, and the first thing I see is by Benefit. I don't think I've ever gotten anything besides the fucking Professional in a beauty box before. This is the Dandelion Shy Beam Highlight Without Shine. Oh, these bottles are so cute. Okay, this is basically like a concealer, like it's a matte highlighter. I don't understand these, and I don't actually know what the hell to do with this. So if you know, please let me know in the box below. The next thing is the Real Her I'm Adaptable Matte Liquid Lipstick. And it's a red shade, it looks like. Oh, yes it is. Okay, I'm debating whether to keep it or not because I literally have a container of all red lipsticks that I haven't used yet, so I might actually save this for a giveaway. All right, the next thing in here is the Purlisse Prevent Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer. Hydration, fine line prevention, perfect for under makeup. Okay, so it could be like a primer or just a regular moisturizer. And I think I've tried their stuff in the past. I don't think it was the anything like Blue Lotus-y, so that's cool, and I will definitely use it. And it's winter, so hydration is the name of the game. Oh, okay. This is the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions eyeshadow palette. I had the smoky ones that came with like the nudes, the blacks, the silvers, and I returned it because it was like a patchy fucking mess. The mauve one though is right up my alley, so I'm gonna give this one a go because that was the only one I tried and I didn't like it. I'm hoping this one might be better. I guess we'll have to wait and see. And then the last thing in here is from Farrah. This is the Be Beautiful Be You eyeshadow, or I don't know if they're eyeshadow brushes, but they're makeup brushes. And I can already feel how heavy these are, like just from holding the package. Oh yeah, these are very nice and weighty. Okay, so we have a 205 Fly Wings brush, which is like a flat, could be like a concealer brush. I guess it could be like a wing brush, but I don't do wings. This is beautiful. This is the 3 Mini Tapered Blending Brush, which is just like a nice crease brush. It's very soft. This is a slightly bigger crease brush. This is the 35E Tapered Blending Brush. Again, very soft. A little too bendy, but I can definitely use it for something. Oh, his hair is coming out already. That's good. This one is the Short Shading Brush. This one's losing hair too. They each have like a hair sticking up. And this is the 65E Large Shading Brush. These are very nice. I wish they were a little longer, to be completely honest, because I feel like when I put them in my brush container, they're all gonna sink to bottom and I'm not gonna see them, so. And that was it. Let's see. Who wins? And that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments or complaints or anything you'd like to tell me in the box below, please do so. Make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed this kind of video. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.